What is going on, guys? I'm Deluxe, and today we are going to be doing some I'm kind of trying to guess. It's gonna be one quiver. So kind of empty. So yeah. So we're gonna have like a couple rounds on the quiver for this one, and yeah. So hopefully you'll hook to that. There shouldn't be any. I'm assuming that it might not. So okay, so it's gonna sound 1 minute. So yeah. So let's tell you something about win equivalent. I know I'm boosting up my wins really fast, but that's because the time I have. So like compared to like before, that took like months to get to like a certain amount of wins. That is because I was busy. So what I'm trying to do is to get 2K wins before school starts, basically. So that's kind of my goal, and I'm going to announcing this to everyone. That I'm gonna try and get 2K wins before school starts. So I have plenty of time. It kind of takes about a week or 1 to 2 weeks to get like at least 100 wins or more. So that's how long it takes if you want to know when that happens. So right now I'm joined by Cat is Bad. His old name is Cat Power. If you don't know who he is. And yeah. And here the bunny, I think she left. I don't know. I checked before then. I do check beforehand. See who's joined sometimes to see who's joining. Oh, all right. So trying to get. So right now I'm still like 15 something. I know I'm almost at 1600. So it take a couple weeks. I'm not really sure yet. So soon, like I'm almost like trying to like get higher than my friends. Well, there's a friend number. Not to offend you whoever's watching, but I do like to go a bit higher, and our cat's gonna win. So with this, oh my god, the cat's like going to. All right, let's ruin. If I ruin his OITQ, then wait, which way? What? Oh, come on, I suck. Right now. He's got a godlike kill? Oh my god, kill streaking here. So, let's... Oh, I missed it. If that hit me, then... Oh, well, GG, guys. If you want me to... So, I'm gonna... show you his stats in case you want me to show how good he is. So he has 32 wins now. If you assume that he's better, so here I show you my stats. 1569. So yeah, I am kind of almost there. Like even though it's been like 6 days ago, and so yeah, and I'm gonna go here is so in the next couple vids, I will try to boost up quicker, but I'm just gonna try, cause I can't just be, cause I only have like a limited time not to get, because sometimes I often like do something different, so it's not just OITQ, so just for a little bit of a mix. So yeah, Let's do a couple more rounds and then the video is over. So yeah, let's gonna do. Ah, darn it. And let me just go here. Alright, just gonna make a big jump. So no matter what, I just kind of take my time here. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Alright. Oh, yes. I like doing it from the temple, because it's like a spoon killing area. Oh my god. So, yeah. Oh, cat got ultra kill as well. Darn it. I still messed up my puff. Alright, he's puffing. Oh no, everyone just puff. Why did I ruin his puff? Oh no. Okay. Sometimes I accidentally ruin like my friend's puff, so I'm very sorry. If you hear me from the video, then yeah. Okay. Oh yes. Alright, it is. Alright, let's win. Let's see if I can win a round. Let's try to win a round. Ah, well, he's gonna win again? Well, that's lit. GG. GGXD, I guess, whoops. GG. That's what I was gonna say. Thanks. Oh. Thanks. For the Alright, thanks for subscribing, Trampoline Boy. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna do 1 to 2 more rounds before I end this video. So that's my plan, like 1 or 2, then I end. Hopefully somewhat this week. Like I got to like catch up on my recording. Like sometimes I get like a little bit behind my recording. Like what? Well, I guess you know what it's time for. A duel. Today we're doing a duel. So yeah, what I'm gonna do? So yeah, I am dueling. So like all this time I've been doing a duel with Cat. Cause he's good, and we want to know who can win more. Okay. Oh, I hate this map so much. It's like the map is kind of too big or something. So if you can say in that way, so it's kind of a bit big. So yeah, it's getting a bit dark. So it's the pack I'm using. Oh, why did I miss that? I know he's trying to. Oh, come on! Don't kill steal. Alright, let's gonna try now. Move. Let's get. Okay, I got that guy. Oh. Huh. Not really. Oh, we're gonna. Alright. Oh yes. Why is he ahead? How is he this good? He's this good even though it's this early? Oh god. Alright, let's get this ticket guy. Yeah, you're obviously in the vid. Duh. Let's go. No, Cat's gonna win again. Alright, let's. Do you know what? I could just keep recording until I win. Something. Why? Alright. What is this dude doing? No, he's gonna win. Can you not win again? Okay, like let me win and then I'll just end the video. Haha. So yeah. So change of plans. I will end the video once I win a round. At least one round, I will end the video. So if I win at least one round, I will end the video. So change of plans. I never expected it, so I kind of want to. Alright, Dust Bowl. I really hate these. Oh my god, I hate these super big maps. They're like really too big. Like, oh, my fiery skin on holding a bow. So if you want to look for my channel, it's this skin that I'm using now, and it's the icon of the bow in YouTube. So I can click place, okay. So alright, let's try to win. Let's win this round. We'll just yes. Still. Okay. Now, which is I like to camp. Okay. Okay. Really? I had to miss that, huh? You guys don't agree with me, huh? Looks like they're not gonna agree with me. No! Come on, cat. Please let me. At least one win, and then I'll end the video. I won't end the video until you let me win, lol. Alright, lag. Alright, let me just. Come on! What the heck is this? Ugh! Come on! No kill stealing. Oh, FFS. I can't stand this anymore. It's doing so bad right now. What is this mess? Alright. Oh, don't it? Oh, he got me. I'm getting mad right now. Didn't even say this. Just gonna turn around every now and then. Darn it! Why does this? How do you screen record? I'll answer that question later. Once the round has been over. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm at 11 kills. No, he's like 1 kill ahead. I swear it's like something. Alright. No one's over there. Hiya! No! Come on! Bro, what is he doing? Carrot, you're trash. Oh no, I'm joking, because you're relatively good at this. So, what? What is this? I can't. Oh no. Daeyoung. I can't. I am not letting this happen. I suck right now, and I need a smaller map. Give me a smaller map, okay? Alright, I'm just gonna check stats. And, he has 115 wins? What? How does he have this many wins? I can't imagine this many, someone this many. Do I know her? Did she change her name? I can NameMC her? Well, sure you guys know, I use NameMC to check name changes. Oh, check out. Alright, let me just check to see if a couple of people more, check that later. So I use screen work to record, and then I export it to a supported file type. Then I upload. Alright, so that's how I do my recording, if you want to know. Good me. Oh, Kawaii. Alright, let's win this round. I like the sport carry areas like right here. I don't know. Should be. Oh yeah, first blood. Stop! Oh my god, stop it. What? Are you reaching? Don't! Oh no, don't you dare, cat. I win, okay? Let me win! Come on! No! Come on! You deserve to let me win, okay? Again? Oh! I don't like this video. If I upload this, I'm just gonna quit. I hate this. I really hate what I'm doing. I hate these kill stealers and killers. This is bad. This is really bad video. I need to stop his kill streak. I'll stop his kill streak, lol. Okay. He almost got me then. I'm not sprinting. No! Alright, 11 kills. I am ahead! Come on. Darn it! Oh my god, please don't. It's gonna be quick. No! Don't! Kaiji, don't. Cat! This is rude! Come on! Heck is this? Kaiji's kind of puffing. No! Come on, I need to go quick. I don't like you when I'm not winning. I gotta win. At least one. At least I gotta win when I record. Okay. I got like 3 kills left, alright? Oh, at the last kill I had to lose. Yes! Alright. GG guys. Yeah. GG. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoy. Hold on one second. Wait. So, try that again. So, thank you guys for today's video here. I hope you enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.